So now in this video we shall see the next article, hexadecimal number system. Lastly we have seen two types of number system, one decimal number system and second one binary number system. This one is third, hexadecimal number system. So some points I have written here about this hexadecimal number system. First point is this number system has a base of 16. That is, it is consisting of 16 digits and alphabetic characters. There are 16 characters. Yes, as we have two characters, two symbols in binary, 10 symbols in decimal. Here in hexadecimal number system we have 16 digital and alphabetical characters. Yes, each hexadecimal digit represents a 4-bit binary number as given in the following table. There is table I have written here. So each hexadecimal digit that represents a 4-bit binary number, it is shown there in table. And third one is the subscript 16 is used to designate a hexadecimal number. Subscript 16 is used to represent this, to designate this hexadecimal number. For example, this is binary number. We have written here 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. This is binary number and we have used here subscript 2 because it is binary. We have used here subscript 2. This binary number we can write in this manner 49C, but the subscript is 16. Why 16? Because this number we have written in hexadecimal number system 49C. This is the hexadecimal number represented here. Yes, and that's why here the subscript 16 is used. Here 2 means binary, 16 means hexadecimal. So we shall see that table. In this table I have made 3 columns. First is decimal number, second one binary, and third the hexadecimal number. Decimal numbers, binary numbers and hexadecimal numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the decimal numbers. And to each these decimal numbers we have respective binary numbers. This 0 is represented in binary as 0, 0, 0, 0. And in hexadecimal this 0 is 0. Yes, this 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. It is in binary. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 9. 9 after this 9. So 0 to 9, this decimal and hexadecimal number systems, the digits are same. 0 to 9, here also 0 to 9. Yes, but after this 10th digit 9, we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, these 6 alphabets we have used in this hexadecimal number systems. So these are the binary numbers, these are the decimal numbers, and these are respective hexadecimal numbers. So for example, if we have decimal number 14, then this 14 decimal number, it is represented in binary as 1110, and in hexadecimal number system the same 14 in decimal, it is represented as E. Yes, 15, this is in decimal number system 15, and binary it is 1111. But if we consider hexadecimal number system, this 15 number in decimal or 1111 in binary, it is represented as F, capital F. So A, B, C, D, E, F, these are the 6 alphabets used after this 10 decimals which are used here. So this is the hexadecimal numbers to respective binary and decimal numbers. Okay, thank you.